Okay, so let's start step 23, firestore security rules. Goal of this step is learn how to write firestore security rules. So first let's check overview. Secure data in Cloud Firestore. Cloud Firestore offers robust access management and authentication through two different methods depending on client libraries. For mobile and web client libraries, use file-based authentication and Cloud Firestore security rules here. To handle serverless authentication, authorization, and data validation. So this is why we are using Cloud Firestore security rules. So go back my document and go to get started page. So in this section, we are learning writing rules, testing rules, deploying rules. So very simple example just for getting used to of these security rules. So go to get started page, and here we see writing rules. Before we write rules, please open console.firebase.google.com and choose your project and go to database and go to rules tab. So this is the initial rules with test mode. This rule allows anyone on the internet to view, edit, and delete all data in your firestore database. It is useful for getting started, but it is configured to expire after 30 days because it leaves your app open to attackers. At that time, all client requests to your firestore database will be denied. Make sure to write security rules for your app before that time, or else your app will lose access to your firestore database. So let's go back document and writing rules. All cloud firestore security rules consist of match statement, which identify documents in your database and allow expression, which control access to those documents. So important one is match and allow. So let's check these rules. This is almost same, sorry. So initial rule is like this. So first let's deny everything, deny all. So copy here. And replace this line with this. And we don't need comment, so delete this comment. So this is a match statement and allow statement, and read write is everything false. So this pass statement is the document pass used in examples above matches any document in entire database. About this syntax we will check later step. Okay, so this is how to writing security rules if you make this true, and you can write like this. So let's go next. Testing rules. Cloud Firestore provides a rules simulator that you can use to test your rule set. You can access the simulator from the rules tab in Cloud Firestore section of Firebase console. So this is the simulator. Click here. And so let's test these rules. So please control click database. And go to data section and users test2, and if you click here you can get a pass. So copy this pass and paste here and run. So simulate read deny because everything read write, both read write is false. So if you change this true and run, it becomes green. So one more thing was required. Copy it here and change this statement to like this. And if you run, this is error. But if you check authenticated, and we are using, so any authentication method is okay. So like GitHub, and if you run, yeah, it becomes green. So this is how to test by using simulator. Okay, so we run writing rules, testing rules, and next one is deploying rules. So if you see here, there's two options. One is use Firebase console, and one is use the Firebase CLI. We will run how to deploy rules, how to deploy security rules by using CLI in later step. But the easiest one is publish these rules to push here. If you publish, the rules will deploy, and it takes a minute to apply changes. So there's a history of rules. Okay, so we recap these three rules. In the next section, let's learn how to write basic security rules.